I'm Alexandra from Two of Wands. My favorite thing to make lately has been giant triangle scarves with tassels at the ends, but I love pretty much making anything. I just launched a home collection using all Lion brand yarns, and making blankets has been really fun too, because they can be unisex. People can give them as gifts. They don't need to be sized for different bodies and stuff, so that's been really fun. This is one of my newer designs. It uses the new Thick and Quick bonus bundles. It's one skein of each color, and I think this really ties into the kind of ethereal trends that are happening right now with like deconstructed stitches and having open spaces and stuff, but it's not a grungy deconstructed look that's popular right now. It's more of a bohemian kind of ethereal vibe. So this is great. You can wear it as a scarf or as a shawl wrap. But yeah, this also ties into the dramatic quality that we're seeing right now, and I think this is going to be, it's so fast to make because of the Thick and Quick that this is going to be a really popular piece.